Welcome back. This is the continuation of the previous video I made where I explained how to generate unlimited voiceover using ChatGPT. I explained how we can generate our voiceover from ChatGPT, and I also talked about how we can screen record the voiceover from ChatGPT because we won't be able to download the voiceover directly from ChatGPT. So we have to use screen recording software. So from there, I explained how we can extract the audio from the screen record. How we can extract the voiceover from the screen recording. Then with that, we used CapCut. Today, I want to show you another means of generating unlimited voiceover. And the tool we are going to be using is Clipchamp. Head over to clipchamp.com. Click on try for free. And click on create a new video. And click on this button. From there, click on text to speech. So let's assume we already have our script, and the next thing is to generate the voiceover. So let's go to I will make use of this short script just for this tutorial because I don't want this video to be too long. Copy it, come to Clipchamp, paste it here, then you can pick language here. Here you can pick the voice that you like. Just pick anyone you like and click this button to hear the voice first before you make use of it.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
So you can keep checking till you see the one that you
Choose
like.
from a variety of voices to help you create a
So for the sake of this tutorial, let me just pick one and use let me use this. And you click on save. So Clipchamp has generated the voiceover for us. Let's listen to it.
First, we meet the lion, mighty and proud. What sound does a lion make? Let's roar it loud.
The next step here is to download this voiceover. And another thing is, Clipchamp will not download audio for us. So we have to download it in video format. Click on export. So it's downloaded in video format. So Clipchamp downloaded it in video format. The next thing to do here is to extract the audio from that video that we downloaded from Clipchamp now. With that, we are going to be using our favorite CapCut. So let's head over to CapCut. So we are on CapCut. Click on Create Project. Then click on Import. Bring it here. So we are not doing much here. What we are going to do,
First, we meet the lion, mighty and proud.
so what we are going to do is just click on export. You can name the file. Then instead of downloading it like this, just click on audio, then export. By doing that,
First, we meet the lion, mighty and proud. What's
so CapCut has extracted the voiceover from the video. Now let's delete this. Click on import and pick the MP3 format. Click on import. It's here. Now the voiceover is ready. You can go ahead and use it for the project you want to make.
First, we meet the lion, mighty and proud. What sound does a lion make? Let's roar it loud. First, we meet the lion, mighty and proud. What sound does a lion make? Let's roar it loud.